Hello, channel is teacher Kim Hoben이, and today we will be learning about how to say before in Korean, which means 뭐 기전에. Okay, so we usually put, let's say the situation A. So before situation A, you should do B. Okay, so it's very simple. You put in between. 뭐 기전에. Okay, so let's see what I mean by it in the exercise. Teacher Kim, subscribe and like. So 기전에 means before, and so for example, 자기 전에 이를 닦아요. I brush my teeth before going to school. Okay, so that makes sense. So before going to school, what do? I brush my teeth. Okay, so that makes sense. 날씨가 추워지기 전에 잠바를 사요. I buy jacket before it gets cold outside. Okay, so 날씨가 추워지기 전에, before it gets cold outside, 잠바를 사요. I buy jacket. Okay, and the last one is 공부하기 전에 커피를 마셔요. So I drink coffee before studying. Okay, so a lot of these things are flipped. So if you look at the black parts, not the red parts, so for the last example, if you look, 공부하, which is the first three black parts, is before studying or studying. And then 커피를 마셔요 is I drink coffee. So a lot of them are flipped in English because Korean and English has a different sentence structure. That's why it's flipped. But just know that before A, you do B. Okay, so 뭐 A 하기 전에 B를 해요. So as long as you remember that, it gets very simple. Okay, well, this is from Teacher Kim. Hope this was helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.